Standard kitchens versus max storage kitchens. Now, most kitchens you see out there, they're standard. Nice, but not exactly innovative.
With a standard kitchen, you're losing space every day. Cabinets that don't reach the ceiling. That's wasted storage. Cluttered counters. No built-in organisation. Total missed potential.
Oh, and let's talk price. Big national retailers charge a premium for, well, average. Are you also tired of wasted space in the kitchen? We have a solution for all your problems. Worried about price, quality, value? Buy Kitchen Online has got you covered. Introducing Bespoke Max Storage Kitchens.
First, we stretch those cabinets all the way up. No more dead space above. Then we add smarter shelves, deeper drawers, and clever organisers so everything has its place. And the best part? You're in control. Need extra pull-out trays? Easy. This isn't a one-size-fits-all kitchen, it's yours. So why settle for a kitchen that looks nice but doesn't work for you?
Upgrade to a max storage kitchen today.
Want unlimited colour options? Done.
We offer free virtual design consultation for a limited time only. Contact us now.